Hello friend, today we will see multiplication of any number with 9, 99 or 999. We have one simple formula for that: d1 minus 1 in one bracket, multiplication of in another bracket, that is d2 plus 1 minus d1. So let us see it by putting these four equation in above formula. So in this case, d1 is 3, d2 is 9. So put this value in equation 1. So it will be like this, that is 3 minus 1 d2, that is 9 plus 1 minus d1, that is again 3, and put here one separator. So separator will separate both the digit. So 3 minus 1 is 2, separator. 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 minus 3 is 7. Remove this separator, answer will be 27. Let us see it in second example. So d1 is 5, d2 is 9. Put these two value in equation 1, that will be 5 minus 1, separator, d2 that is 9 plus 1 minus d1, that is 5. So 5 minus 1 is 4, separator. 9 plus 1 is again 10, 10 minus 5 is 5. Remove this separator, answer will be 45. Now multiplication of two digit number with 99. Formula will be remain same. Here d1 is this number and d2 is this number. So 67 minus 1, d2 that is 99 plus 1 minus d1, that is 67. So 67 minus 1 is 66, separator. 99 plus 1 is 100, 100 minus 67 is 33. Remove this separator, answer will be 66, 33. In third example, we have three digit multiplication, that is 876. We will multiply with 999. So here d1 will be this number and d2 will be this number. So put these two number in equation 1. So 876 minus 1, separator. 999 plus 1 minus 876. 876 minus 1, that is 875, separator. 999 plus 1, that will be 1000. 1000 minus 876 is 1000 minus 876 is 1000 here, 876 is here. 10 minus 6 is 4, 1 here. 10 minus 8 is 2, again 1 is here. 10 minus 9 is 1, that is 124. So 875, separator, 124. So 875, remove this separator, 124. Answer will be this. So with this 4 example, I have explained you how to multiply any number with 9, how to multiply any number with 99 and 999. If you have any doubt related with above equation, you can directly write it in comment section. I will definitely try to reply, or you can directly mail me. I have given my email ID in description link. Thanks for the seeing. I will request you to subscribe my YouTube channel, like it and share it. Thanks.